My name's Max, and I'm going to talk to you about teeth whitening. So the thing about teeth whitening is there's two ways that teeth stain. And one thing you have to know is that teeth naturally stain just by absorbing the foods that we eat. Teeth are actually very naturally porous, so all those little pores will absorb, let's say when you drink coffee or tea or beet juice, those colors will go into the teeth. There are two ways that teeth stain. One is external staining and one is internal staining. So when you brush your teeth, you can only get rid of external staining, which means the outside of the teeth that stain. And that's also how a hygienist removes some of the staining with that little rubber cup that she cleans with at the end. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove external staining by brushing your teeth. And the key to understanding this is understanding something called abrasiveness, is how rough something is. So when toothpaste dissolves in your saliva or your spit, it actually becomes a lot less abrasive. And you want abrasiveness when you're whitening your teeth. You don't want to do this every day because you're actually removing a tiny bit of enamel. But here and there, when you're going to a special event or if you want to upkeep your whitening, some abrasiveness is fine. So I'm just going to show you how you would go around doing it. I'm going to do it with a triple bristle toothbrush, but obviously you could use any toothbrush you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of toothpaste, I have a little bit right here, and you're going to actually smear it on the front of your teeth. So you can see I'm smearing it right on the front of my teeth. And now, before it has had a chance to dissolve in your mouth, you take the triple bristle or any toothbrush and you actually put it on and gently vibrate it all around. So it definitely helps to remove the stain. The key there was I didn't put the toothpaste in my mouth and let it dissolve and lose its abrasiveness. I actually put it onto my teeth and then put the brush right on it. So it retains its roughness, and that roughness is going to smear off any of the other staining. If you want to whiten even further, what you want to do is get internal bleaching. And this is sold either in a store, many companies create whitening strips, or it's also done at your dental office. And in a dental office, they'll actually do it in a single hour. Some have the light, some just have the chemical, and those actually remove the organic contents within the pores, not just on the outside of the teeth. So they go inside the tooth and remove the stained portions, the coffee and all the juices and the fruits you ate that have stained the teeth over a while. And that usually takes, depending on how yellow your teeth are, 1 to 2 weeks if you're doing it at home. If you just go to your dental office, it can be done in just a single hour. So doing those two will make sure you have a really nice white smile and you can maintain it for your entire life. Until next time, keep smiling.